Again, good evening, friends. This side NTT Technology, and this is the third video regarding C programming basics to advanced. I have seen lots of the C programming tutorial on YouTube, right? And lots of the study material available. But still, lots of the person are suffering from write a simple program, not so any complex program. Write a simple program and find any proper solution. How and what problem they are facing when dealing with a write a program. What will be the thought process when you have to write a C program? So look, in this tutorial, this is not a tutorial, this is not a kind of a video lecture, right? This is a fully prepared C programming basic to advanced enhancement level propaganda which are running by NDT technology. This is a only propaganda, right? If you want to see that, you can see. If you don't want to see that, you can't see, right? But look, if you are really serious in your career to take any programming quiz, for, for taking any kinds of complex solutions from your daily to daily life, so you have a clearly easily handle this programming concept, easily handle. All right, what problems you have to overcome it as soon as possible, and this programming paradigms and programming logic think provide the solution like a critical thinking method, like a problem solving skills. So this is only problem solving skills. You have a lots of the problem regarding the mathematics, regarding the physics, math, all over the done by through the programming. But where? In computational world. So let's get start here. Now I am going to explain about how to develop a program. Right. So look, suppose you are going from any multinational company. You all are one day after completion your graduation or after completion your colleges, you have to tackle the campus recruitment test, you have to tackle the in placement recruitment test, right? So as per as my concern, there are three rounds available in IT industry. Some IT company which are much more highly comprehensive task available, so they are held five rounds, but overall three rounds is available. First is aptitude and reasoning. So you have to be fully flourish your previous knowledge regarding mathematics, regarding reasoning, regarding all of the content which are tackled as per as rule of problem solving and critical thinking. All right, so reasoning, aptitude, and these kinds of things are able to person to tackle the problems in a way of scientifically method, not like in illogical method. Look, you have a numerical analysis for any problems, right? Apart from the theoretical basis, I'm not going to teach you here theory. I'm going to teach you how to tackle. So that think like a programmer only, not think like a study material here, right? I don't want to sell my courses online. I don't want to told you that please like and subscribe. This is a free content for all of the person who are really serious in his career. All right. So how to develop a program? So to write a program for any task, we need to identify the steps, all right, and their execution sequence. So first you have to rely how to identify the steps. Suppose I am giving you a problem to adding two numbers, so you have your conscious mind. You have some sequence and steps how to overcome it. And every program mainly consists of three parts: input, processing, and output. This is for computational world. I'm not going to teach here any mathematical classes. I'm not going to teach here any kinds of other study material. This is fully computational task. You have to learn these topics, learn, see this video as a mind makeup of techie. All right, you don't have to think any other thing about what is this, what is that. In engineering, you have to remember these five concepts: how, where, what, why, and when. and you are able to get the solution of any problem. All right. So first you have to identify steps, then execution sequence. Then every program mainly consists of three parts: input, what input you are providing to the machine, what processing will be happen during the processing time, and what will be the output come. And this all are connected with your thought process apart from your input and output method. So the starting part for solving any problem is to identify its input. All right, as I already told you, you have to analyze your input, which kinds of input you have to provide, so which kind of output will become, right? What will be the result will be overcome after if you provide input. If you provide bad input, the output will be bad. If you provide good input, the output will be good. And if you provide moderate input, the output will be moderate, right? So it's depend on your thinking power, depends on your sense of humor, presence of mind, and lots of the quotes available for motivation. But in programming you do not have to any motivational task. You have to bus only overcome the various kinds of problem. You have to solve it, and then one day you will be a good programmer. Nobody can tackle you. All right, you will be a good competitor for your competitors, right? So you have to identify any problem, its input, process its output. For example, we want to add two number C programs. So first step will be identify inputs from the given problem statement. For above mentioned problem, the input are the two numbers to be added, and next step will be identified the output. All right, and the result of addition of two number will be the output for problem. So what will be the processing happen? Addition. What will be the input? You have to put two variable, because you find a third output sequence, right? Like two or three two variables you are given in the machine, and the output will be five. So that's like three levels of basic structure for any program, and it is a developing process. I'm not going to teach you about how to write a program to uh, Fibonacci, show me Fibonacci series. I will show you lots of the problem. I have over 2000 problem available. I'm going to teach you each and every problem here in this video. The video will be lengthy, maybe 2 to 300 video in available in C programming, but the time will be less. It's a 15 to 20 minutes video, right? You are when you are in any other problem, you can just focus on 15-20 minutes. Your one problem will be solved easily, right? So first is read input two numbers, right? Machine will be what will be the machine do? Read input two number, add these two number, display output of result of addition. All right, so these three steps have been written in high level language like C++, Java, and this sequence is called algorithm. All right, so I have going to separate tutorial also going to making it's under process, it's algorithm data structure, and I'm going to teach you all about the algorithm, how algorithm works, how algorithm is matter in our day to daily life, right? And how big companies earn money, lots of the money with the use of simple algorithm. All right, so many huge company, YouTube, Insta, huge company, Facebook, they are using just algorithm, write a program for any algorithm based, and this algorithm are doing his task very efficiently with a less number of time, and they are earn lots of the money. So apart from the learning, you have to think about the earning also. All right, so how to develop a program, this is the first. Second is modes of operation. So this is a just for additional knowledge before starting actual C programming. It's additional knowledge, and this is index which I am going to, which I've already teach you in my previous couple of the videos. So here the modes of operation, what is, there are two different ways that a large computer can be shared by many different users. These are interactive mode and batch mode. Right, so this is a modes of operation which will be held with your computer. It may be computer, laptop, mobile phones, servers. right? Client server, so many things are coming under these circumstances. So what is interactive mode? Interactive mode or computing is a type of computing environment that originates with commercial time sharing system and has been defined by the widespread use of personal computer. All right, so your personal computer can be used widespread. You are not alone to have worry about your personal computer. You can share use this intricate interactive mode, and at a time your personal computer can be used by other person, by other location, by other distance. Right, so this computational session does the user may periodically be asked to provide example. So what is the example here? A student wishes to use a personal computer to calculate the radius of circle. All right, so what is interactive mode? I am going to teach you in a simple if else algorithm based. All right, so whose are a value of 100, a program is. So what will be the problem here? Calculate the radius of circle and the value of 100. A program is available that will calculate the area of circle. Program is already available. All right, here I'm not going to teach you about what is a program, how to write a program to calculate the radius of circle. I'm just showing you the result and dependent answering machine. So the area of circle given the radius, this program is not exactly what is needed, but it does allow the student to obtain an answer by trial and error. Right. So what is the concept here? Suppose the display is showing radius is equal to question mark. What will the answering question is displaying here? Is displays the student then enters a value for the radius. Let us assume that the student enter a value of 5 for the radius. All right, so the computer will respond by displaying area 78.5398. This will be the area of a radius with respect of value of 5. All right, so when the students put the value of 5 with respect of radius, the area will be showing 78.538. Then again asking what the machine will be asking in interactive mode. Do you wish to repeat the calculation? This is a question, again asking the question, and this is a program, complete program. When while you are compiling, then this mode will be operating accordingly. The next question is the student, do you wish to repeat the calculation? So the student then types either yes or no. All right, if someone is want to doing more calculation regarding the value of 5, 6, 7 and so on, so they can easily type yes. All right, or just hit the enter regarding the conditional statement available in the program. So if the student types yes, the message radius again start question mark. All right, again appears in the entire procedure repeated. All right, if type no, message display goodbye. Until the user is not typing no, the program will be continuously running in a various mode. So you, this is a simple program to find a radius value and to find the area of any circle with regarding the respect of radius value. All right, you can put nth number of times of value with respect of radius, and you can show in nth number of result with respect of area of circle. All right, then it displays the computational is terminated. When you press no, when you hit yes, then again started. So this information type the student 5, the area 78.53, and so on. So do you wish to repeat the calculation? Yes. Then again 6, so 113.096, and going on until want to calculation repetition no. All right, as I already told. So this is the interactive mode. This is a mode computing. What's look how computational power is showing here. You are not able to just find a simple output, but regarding the input value you can find the output according to different levels of different layers. All right, now next terms coming under batch computing or processing. So in batch processing, a number of jobs are entered into the computer, stored internally, and then processed sequentially. All right, so all the number of jobs entered in your computer hard disk internally, and then the processor will process on those jobs sequentially. That's called batch processing. A job refers to computer program and its associated set of input data. All right.